understanding the phrase, in a bind. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a common English expression, in a bind. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in various contexts. Originally, the word bind meant to tie or fasten something tightly. Imagine tying your shoes or binding a stack of papers together. That's the action of binding. However, when someone says they are in a bind, they aren't talking about being physically tied up. Instead, they are expressing that they are in a difficult or tricky situation. It's like saying they're stuck or in a tight spot. For example, I forgot my wallet at home and can't pay for my lunch. I'm really in a bind. With both the printer and the copier broken, our office is in a bind. Let's see how you can incorporate this phrase into your daily conversations. 1. When you're facing a dilemma, I have two important events on the same day. I'm in a bind deciding which one to attend. 2. Referring to financial challenges. After losing my job, I'm in a bind paying my bills. 3. Highlighting unexpected challenges. The sudden rain caught me in a bind, as I left my umbrella at home. There are other expressions in English that convey a similar idea. Some of them include, in a tight spot, in a pickle, up a creek without a paddle. Each of these phrases alludes to being in a challenging or unfavorable situation. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, in a bind. English is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them can add depth to your conversations. Always remember, language is not just about words, but also about the stories and emotions behind them. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.